Alright, in today's video reference, we're going to learn how to solve systems of linear equations. So basically that's two linear equations, and to solve a system you have to identify where the two linear equations intercept. So we're going to learn three methods, and in this video we're going to look at just graphing, and if there's time we'll definitely look at an easier version of substitution. So basically when you graph you have to look at the two equations and identify the m and the b, which is your slope and your y-intercept. So for the first equation, we'll call this 1. The second equation, we'll call this 2. Can someone tell me for the first equation, what is my y-intercept or my starting point? 4. And then my slope? -3. So I'm going to go to the point 4. And then remember my slope is a -3/1. So I'm going to go, how would I move? Down 3, right 1, down 3, right 1, down 3, right 1. Connect the dots. That is my first linear equation in the system. Now the second one I'll do in red. Can someone tell me what's my starting point, my y-intercept? -2. And my slope? +3/1. So I'll start here at -2. And how do I move with this slope? Up 3/1. Up 3/1. You can go down 3, left 1. Connect the dots. You can see here there's a solution. This system crosses at this coordinate right here. Can someone tell me the solution to this coordinate, to this graphing? Yeah, so you're going to write 1, 1. And so make sure you write that at the bottom. If you tested it, it would work for both. So if I plugged it in, it'd be 1 equals -3 times 1 plus 4. And 1 equals 3 times 1 minus 2. -3 times 1 is -3 plus 4 is 1 equals 1. That's 3 minus 2, which is 1 equals 1. So it's a solution for both systems. And in tomorrow's lesson, we'll learn how to solve that with substitution. In the second graphing example, why don't we call this one again equation 1, equation 2. This time I'll give you your m and your b. So here your b value is 4, and your slope is 1/1. How about for the second one? Can someone tell me the slope and the y-intercept? -6/1, and b equals -3. Alright, I'll pause the video here. If you and a friend could try to find the solution, that would be great. Okay, so if you did this correctly, you should have got, for the first line, a dot at 4, and then up 1/1, down 1/1 like this. And for the second one, a dot at -3. It's a starting point. You can't go down 6, right 1, so you got to go up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, left 1. So there's my solution there. Ugh, it's a horrible line. So can someone tell me the final answer, if you will? Yeah, it's -1, 3. So x equals -1, y equals 3. If I went back here to this solution, if you want to write this down, this would be x equals 1, y equals 1. Those are the solutions. All right, hope that helped, and we'll continue more in class.